There's a skeeter on my Peter, knock it off, knock it off. There's a dozen on my cousin, knock them off, knock them off. What's up, everybody? Wherever it is for you, it's Friday here. So, I showered just for this, like I do all the time. Today, we have Troegs Independent Brewing Blizzard of Hops Winter IPA, India Pale Ale. I'm reading ahead of myself. Handcrafted by the Troegs brothers. Troegs. I don't know, 6.4% alcohol. Serve in a tumbler. That's the closest. Well, I got one. Hazy Gold. Hops is Hop Cycle Winter. I don't know. Hops are Centennial, Chinook, Galaxy, and El Dorado. I have no clue. No whatsoever. All right. Well, like I say, let's try it out. Maybe it'll make me poop. It'll help me poop. I don't need help pooping. I don't need help pooping. I'm good. I'm good on pooping. All right. Yep, it looks like what they said. They weren't lying. Hazy Gold. That's 12 ounces. 4 ounces goes all the way to the top. 12. Yeah, 16 ounces. That's a 16-ounce glass to the very top. Wow. That is hazy. They weren't. Yeah. This smells delightful. Now, why was it? What makes it a winter ale? You know what? Winter IPA. I'm like, because you made it in the wintertime and you're selling it? I don't know. But I do know alligators are truly prehistoric predators. Alligators have been around in more or less their current form for over 150 million years. That's a long time. So I know like winter ales are like darker and they have the cinnamon and coriander and gobbledygook in it. It's got some pretty good gobbledygook. This tastes... Wait, now the first... Man, I'm going crazy. That's delightful. Very good. I like this a lot. Tell me anything else? Independent brewer. Where are they at? Were they made, bottled, canned, brewed? Hershey, PA. Okay. That's like 5 minutes from here. Nope. I don't know how far Hershey, PA is. And if I edit this video, I'll put how many miles away it is. I have no clue. I'm thinking, just off the top of my head, 30 miles. I'm probably so wrong. It's probably, the PA means Panama. No, but everybody knows Hershey is famous for. Latrobe. No. They're, look at that. The Hershey, the Hershey bar, the Hershey Kisses and stuff. I actually did a review on candy bars. But first, let me tell you what I think about this. I like this a lot. I'll give it a B+. I'm going to give it a B+. Now, if you had this at your house at a party, I would drink it. Yeah, it's 6.4. That's pretty good. Just to sit there and knock them back, hell yeah. Would I take these to a party? Yes, but a lot of people probably aren't going to drink them. But if you had them at your house, you're expecting a lot of people that would drink IPAs. Like if you had a keg of this, you know your friends are going to drink it. Anyway, what the hell was I talking about? I don't know. It was something or other. It's pretty good though. So, while I'm thinking about it, listen to this. What the hell was I thinking about? Hamsters are illegal in Hawaii. I can't think of anything for life. Nope. Nothing. I got nothing. But I do like this beer. I like it has a good amount of hops in it. It doesn't, that's what's crazy. It doesn't tell you what the hops are. What the IBUs are. They tell you everything, you know, tell you what the hops are, the hop cycle and everything else, but they, dude, we actually bought a beer. It was what the hell was, it was, this one. Nope, not this one. Modern Methods Brewing. Let me, wait, where'd you go? Why do I have an empty hole? Did something fall? What the hell? Where'd it go? You know what? I think the other can is in there. Well, let me look around for it. All right, I put this one up there. Anyways, it was another one by Modern Methods. I did a review on it, and they didn't have a barcode on it anywhere. So they printed it without a barcode. That one has a barcode. So the lady had, I don't know if they might have messed up in the canning process, the packaging process. They have no barcode on a darn thing. So I wonder if everyone has a barcode. Does everyone have a barcode? Yeah, that one does. I guess. Let me check this one out. Yeah. So those guys gotta get on the ball and put barcodes on their cans. They don't have any barcodes on there. Oh well. I can't remember what it was, but it was here I go again, trying to think of crap, and I can't remember. It was the Percolator. It was a coffee beer. It was too much for me. That's what the beer they didn't have on the barcode on the label. So there you go. Now you know what. Now you know what I got. Good beer B+, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, cheers.